Sakay sa maalon na chariot. Hi, Ma! Kasuin natin, nagbulaklak na ulit eh. Oo. We have a little like a gathering, so we rented these chairs, and we have to transport it via chariot. It's fun, but it's not really fun because it's mauyog, shaky. Abante, mga kaibigan.
Ako, doktor.
Mga kaibigan, abante. Entering. Hold on. Kaya. Kaya kayong itaob. Hi. Ayan na. Yan na ang mga kwento ng pagkukuha ng mga upuan. May visitor din kami, si Lucy. Kasuid na masarap. Newly hatched chicks. See, those are wrapped with sacks. They are the jackfruit. Hopefully in 2 months' time, we will harvest plenty of it and enjoy the sweet result of jackfruit. Follow me. Tomorrow, starting this evening actually, we have an event going in this place. Hence, the preparation is ongoing. Come join me so you can see the fun and the relaxation moment. There's many things going on in this place. Building of house, so people are working. Unfortunately, we cannot have our washroom. Good day to you. So now this is your place. It looks good. Yeah. Yeah. I say goodbye for now because we're going to have a serious talk, but not really serious that I don't want to share with you. Hello.
Ayaw ko munang